I guess here most of them get answer 35 for this problem in wrong order. Here 7 times 7 is 49 minus, here 7 plus 7 is 14. Here 49 minus 14 is 35 is the wrong answer. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this 35 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Yeah, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. In this problem we don't have the bracket, so we are moving to the exponent. In this problem the exponent also not there, so the multiplication division is next priority. Here we have multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication before the subtraction and addition. Here multiplication is 7 times 7 is 49 minus 7 plus this 7. The next priority is addition and subtraction. Here we have subtraction and addition both. The both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 49 minus this 7. Here 49 minus 7 is 42 plus this 7. Here 42 plus 7 is 49 is the correct answer.